In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right ESLint JavaScript extension in your VS Code Studio. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So ESLint is one of the best JavaScript extension that is a must-have for your VS Code. To get it, go to this icon, this extensions icon, and here you can now search for any extension using this search bar. So to get it, I'll just search for ESLint. So you have to note that ES are capital, and here is the extension. Click on it first to see the details and make sure it is from Microsoft. This is official Microsoft extension. And at the time of recording this, it has over 49.4 million active downloads. And this is in 2026. So by the time you're watching this data might have changed. Currently, it also has a star rating of 4.5 with over 249 reviews. You can read the details about it down below before you proceed and install it. And the current version is 3.024, and this will have changed by the time you are watching this. To get it, click on install here, and this will go ahead and download it and install it on your VS Code Studio. So that's how you can install the correct or the official ESLint JavaScript extension on your Visual Studio Code program. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.